Alright, language explorers, so let's have a look at today's commonly confused words. So ensure and insure. So ensure, to be confident that something will happen. I will ensure it arrives tomorrow. I will ensure that the letter arrives tomorrow. Can they ensure that it will work? Can they ensure it will work? Can they make sure it will happen? Can they make sure it will happen? Ensure. Yeah. So, we will ensure that it is built. Yes. She will ensure that it is ready by the 10th of October. She will ensure it is ready by the 10th. They ensured that the designs were accepted. Yes. They were so confident that they reassured me that it would happen. They need to ensure that it happens again. They need to make sure it'll happen again. They ensured that it would happen. Ensure it will happen again. So insure then, to have insurance against something bad happening. So ensure is confident something will happen, and insure is insurance against something bad happening. I will insure the new products. Have you insured the books, for example? Do you know that you need to insure it every year? Why did they want to insure it? Like insurance policy. Why? A protection against bad things happening. These need to be insured just in case. We insured them all just in case something bad happens to them. Just in case, for peace of mind. I will insure it for peace of mind. Whew. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? So, ensure, confident something will happen, and insure, like to protect against. Let's try and get a shield to protect against. There we are. Shield, yes. To protect against, insure. Yeah. So, can you use ensure and insure in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me by searching English with Adrian on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram. Yeah. As well as by searching Adrian Nanchev on Udemy. Yeah. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.